My name is Graham McRae. I'm the president of a company called NovaVive Inc. NovaVive has a proprietary technology that has great application in the animal health business. The technology has broad application, and so far in the United States we have 5 products registered and regulated by the USDA. The lead product right now for us is our product for cattle. It's called Amplimune. It amplifies the immune response. Amplimune has a label claim for the treatment of diarrhea caused by bacterial infections in the very young calf. The second product approved in the US is a product called Settle. Settle is a slightly different formulation of the same mycobacterial cell wall, DNA, RNA, and Settle has on the label a treatment for endometritis or uterine inflammation of the uterus caused by various bacteria, including Streptococcus zooepidemicus, endemic in the equine industry. A single dose of Settle given intravenously or intrauterine has been shown to treat a latent infection affecting the uterus and not allowing the horse to become pregnant. The antiviral product for horses is called Equimune, and that is a product with an antiviral claim. So when a horse is exposed while traveling to other horses or at a racetrack or a show jumping arena or a pony club show, barrel racing for quarter horses, etc., they often pick up bacterial and viral infections, and this product is approved for the treatment of horses with respiratory infections caused by a range of viruses, including herpes virus, rhinovirus, etc., influenza virus. The next product that we have is an anti-cancer product called Immunocidin. Immunocidin is labeled for the treatment of mammary tumors or breast cancer in dogs. In a larger size, it's also approved for the treatment of sarcoid tumors, which are skin tumors in horses. And by injecting those tumors directly in the dog or the horse, Immunocidin has this effect of cleaning up the tumor by killing tumor cells, stimulating the immune response to help the healing process, and has been very successful. And again, there is an ongoing study at the University of Iowa on further data on the effect and role of this product in the treatment of tumors in other tumors in horses. The management team are primarily myself. I have 40 years of experience in the animal health business. My team previously have brought many products to the market. Our competition is all multinational companies. 80% of the global market of animal health products is sold and supplied by only 8 companies. We are making inroads into the dairy industry, the feedlot industry, and bearing in mind there are 90 million cattle in the US, there are 30 million calves. Some of them end up in the dairy industry, some of them end up in the beef industry, and we have applications that we are exploring now for 4 or 5 different indications. So the opportunity for growth is for our company to become profitable within 2 years, to take this company, once profitable, globally. We have subsidiary operations in Australia and the United States. Canada is our head office. The products are all made in a dedicated facility we own in Athens, Georgia, in the United States of America. We have a committed and dedicated team of production people who make all the products in this very heavily regulated facility. We are approved for sale for the products out of that facility in Canada, US, Australia, New Zealand, the United Arab Emirates. We're working on China, and in our longer term vision is to move this product line into Europe and Japan. The lead product we're focusing on at present is for cattle. We presented a paper 2 days ago at a dairy science conference in the United States. The presentation was made by a professor at the University of Minnesota. There were 1,306 calves involved in a study Calves originated from a very large dairy where they have their calves born. The calves are then shipped to a nursery type situation in New Mexico. The calves travel on a truck. They go every week. The farm milks 27,000 cows and is one of the best managed farms, dairy farms in the United States. It is regarded as a model for the dairy industry. The results of the study showed that we can significantly reduce the pneumonia that these young calves experience in the 30 days after they arrive at their destination. Pneumonia is a serious disease of baby calves, and a serious outbreak of pneumonia affects the calf's life going forward. It affects how healthy it will be in the future and will actually affect the milk production expected from that young animal. Yet the company spends an extraordinary amount of its sales dollars back into research and development. We're not researching and developing new molecules. We have the molecule is patented and well protected. We just have to expand the uses of this molecule. This molecule has been shown to be antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-cancer. The cancer effect is really quite profound. When a cancer cell comes in contact with the DNA and the RNA of this particular bacterium that we make our product from, it tells the cancer cell to die. The cancer cell dies, but the tissue surrounding the cancer is not affected by this product. It has no killing effect such as chemotherapy has on surrounding tissue around the tumor. So only the tumor dies. It also stimulates the immune response. So while the tumor is dying, the body is alert and cleaning up any mess of broken down tumor cells, etc. So the animal feels good, looks good, and behaves well for the owner while it's undergoing this therapy for the treatment of cancer in dogs. We have just commenced a fairly large study at the University of Iowa against a cancer of dogs called hemangiosarcoma. Hemangiosarcoma is a horrible disease in dogs and in humans, and our hope is that this therapy combined with chemotherapy will provide a more effective, safer treatment for the cancer these dogs experience and give the dog a longer life and a happier life for its owners.